What is up, people? Lynn here with a video for you all. Today we are going to be unboxing a small portable Lightbox. This says it's a portable photo studio. It's a Lightbox. Let's get into it. And it has 6 different backdrops. See, I'm all for portability. I don't have a lot of space. So yeah, let's see. I like that it has this little pouch. It's got the little drawstrings on it. Let's see how small it really is. It smells hot. I guess because it was like really hot outside. So, alright. So there's the contents of the pouch. Okay, let's pull this through. Oh, wait. I missed something. Cord. So this is, it says it's a mini photo studio box by Puluz. It's a 20 centimeter portable photography shooting light tent kit with a folding light, LEDs, and 6 backdrops. So this shows you how to unfold it. There's some QR codes for whatever reason you may need those, and this gives you what is here. I've seen a couple of videos on how to assemble this. Here are your little backdrops here. I think these are cool. So you have blue, white, red, black, yellow, and green. So let's go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna try to do this without without the instructions and see if I can actually do it. See if it's basically just easy as pie. So let me grab this white here, because I think you can just, if I'm not mistaken, just slide this sucker in here like this. Let's get this other side. Cool. It even has a little lid up top so you could get some photos from up top if you so choose. So now it's got these little buttons that you just see, this little button here. So you just take that and snap it closed. If I can see it. There we go. And it's got a button up top here. And another one on this side. And then it's got a little light bar. Okay, with LEDs. See the LEDs? Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I don't know how exactly this is gonna work because the plug is on this side. So what I'm gonna try to do, let's see, let's plug this up. Now this was really cheap. This was like 13 bucks, if that. Alright, so now I'm gonna see if I could plug this up to my laptop. So as you see, I did all of this without even consulting the instructions. So pull out my laptop. We're gonna plug it up. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. And it works. So what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll insert a picture or something. I just got this cute little kawaii planner, so I might snap some pictures of that and post that maybe at the end of this video so you all can see. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. Don't want to make it entirely too long. I'll leave a link in the description if this is something you would be interested in. I just wanted to up my game as far as snapping pictures for Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, and we will see you all on the next video. Peace.